Hi, welcome back to Lumise Tutorials add-on bundle series. Tommy is here, and today together we will explore the next features in this add-on, introducing background. In these videos, I will show you how to use the background features in Lumise and explain the differences between each type of background. To begin, you have to activate it first. You will then see the background folder on the left hand side, and it will contain 4 elements: on backgrounds, add new, categories, and tags. The first element is on backgrounds, where you can find all of your upload materials. There will be a taskbar on the top that works as a filter, and it allows you to find any of your backgrounds by tags, date, and categories. I have nothing in the background galleries right now, then I don't have to use the filter. But once you have over 1,000 backgrounds in these galleries, the filter will become a more powerful tool that helps you save time and money. The categories and tags elements allows you to create new tags and categories to label your backgrounds more effectively and smartly. Now, let's go ahead to add a new background. So there will be some requirement field that you need to fill, like name, categories, tags, and of course your background image. Also, you can give it an additional price, then make sure you hit on active and then save the background. Now, let's experience the background features in the design editors. When you active, there will be an element on the left taskbar named background. In here, you will find all of your upload backgrounds. You can either search any background by tags and categories. Let's try to drop this background to the product and see what's going to happen. As we see, the background now filled with the whole product. So is there any other options? The answer is yes. You can monitor the way background display by changing in the option drop down. Okay. So now you fully understand how to use these incredible features by watching our tutorials. I hope you work more effectively with Lumise and increase your creativity. Let's subscribe to our channels, and I will see you next time.